So hit addictive keys, right? This is the demo version, but it's still very functional. So let's hit piano roll, right click piano roll, and this is how you add notes to your beat. So we're gonna come down to D4, right? Chord, boom. When you add chords, for a minor chord, you hit 1, 2, 3, put the note there, 1, 2, 3, 4, put the note there. And you can keep going like that if you want it in minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry about that. Sounds very R&B-ish. That's what they call a ninth chord. Very R&B-ish. But I want to do just three notes. And this is a minor chord. If you want to do a major chord, you move this middle. You move this middle note up one, and it sounds much happier. Like Chance the Rapper, Mac Miller, and all that. But I'm dealing with minor chords here. So minor chords sound much darker. So that's what we're dealing with right here. So Control C, Control B, move that down. Control C, Control B again. Move that down. Control C, Control B. Move it up. And let's see what we have here. Let's go. Okay, that sounds real nice, but let's increase the softness. Let's soften it up a little bit. Sounds too hard. So let's bring this down. We're just making it softer in the BST. And if you want to do this manually, you just, mess with the velocity, but I won't get into that. That's for, we won't get into that. That's not too important right now. So, here we go. Yo, you know what it is. Bam. Yeah. 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 You know what it is. I'm living lavish, flying over Nova Scotia. Somebody tell the promoter. Yeah. That's dope. That's real dope. That sounds real nice. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Join me in the next one. We'll be doing some melodies.